I'm back. Hi guys, it's me Anita, your favorite YouTuber. If you're new to my page, my name is Anita. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and sticking around. This video is going to be about me getting my life together and as well as giving you updates on everything. Some of you already knew the reason why I was not active and some don't know, but it's pretty obvious that majority of you all know why I've not been active. If you guys don't know, I'm currently in my final class of high school / secondary school, so I'm currently in SS3. I was in SS3 because, by the way, I finished my WAEC, WAEC, which means my final exams for me to graduate from SS3. Although I've not seen my results, but I know I'm going to do well by God's grace. So I finally done my exam and I feel good. Everybody's feeling good. We finished on June 23rd and this is June 25th. So I'm just going to be vlogging back to back to give you guys updates on everything that's been going on in my life. I feel so happy to finally pick up my camera. So currently these are my books. I did things, but what I was doing was I was doing this. See this right here? Yeah. So I first cleansed my phone because I wanted to like reset my life at this moment, especially now that it's almost July and I have like lots of plans coming up, prom, graduation, everything else. I also have NECO. Although NECO is not compulsory, but I'm writing NECO right now. I got a new journal where I'm going to plan all of my productive healthy habits. This is just my personal journal where I write about my feelings, everyday talk. Like this is like what you would call a normal diaries, you know, just brain dumping everything and just talking about the day. This book I see here is my content creation book for Instagram and YouTube. And then this book you guys, I don't know if you guys will be upset with me, but if I tell you that I have not finished reading this book, it's been 2 years, like literally 2 years since I got this book. No, actually, I'm waffling. I got this book 2022 summertime, so it's not up to a year at all. So during May, I tried completing this book. Yeah, and I didn't really finish. I want to buy new self-help books, more inspirational books, because this book is, you know, it's about time I finish reading it. It's known. And yeah. Journaling right now. I just want to write down my new routine. Not that I'm done with school. I'm just saying like I'm done with school, but I've not fully graduated. Follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Snapchat, and my YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't. So I'm just going to do this because off camera and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow I'm going to clean my room, you know, just reset a bit, plan for my prom. Like, there's a lot of pen and writing I have to do this night. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Make sure to pray before you sleep, okay? Good morning, guys. I'm finally awake. I set my alarm for 7, but I'm awake, and now we're going to start the day with my new routine. Done this. I've read the Bible. Now it's just to drink a full glass of water, wash my face, so skincare, lay bed, clean room, and do the rest. Make sure to drink water every morning. I'm facing a messy wire epidemic right now. I have lots of cables and wire. Yeah, I have to fix this like right now. So I've managed to get this over with. Look at the cable situation from before and after. My sockets fell down, so they're still going to fix that later. But yeah, good job. For this section here, everything's supposed to be inside my wardrobe. This side is very messy. I have to take care of this side. Let's go and take care of there. The amount of phone cases I have is crazy. Most of my friends always ask me, how many phone cases do you have? Why do you always change phone case? I change my phone case depending on my vibe. So this is what it looks like now. It's arranged. So yeah, we're done with that. Now time for the main part of the room, the bed and the floor. Like we have to sweep. So let me just do a quick transition. So I'm carrying my ring light out of here because I want to sweep. I'm going to get there my tripod. My room is very dirty as you can see, because I don't know, I've been in my exam survival mood lifestyle since. I'm currently going downstairs to make breakfast. So I finally made breakfast and it came out very nice. I did jollof, indomie and fried chicken. I know my accent is so weird, but that's all I did. It's spicy and I fried the chicken. Hi guys, so I just finished taking my bath. The reason I look at it is because I was making some TikTok videos and this is how I look. I did that Doja Cat's transition, like look at me, you looking, you know, that kind of transition. I made different TikToks as well, so that's what I'm just doing. And I think I want to just take a quick Instagram picture because I love the way I'm looking right now. So I want to just post on TikTok and I'll post on Instagram. Hi guys, like it's currently like 9. I have to shower. When I'm not showering, I'm just going to tidy up my room a bit. My room is not messy because I cleaned it this morning and I've not been in my room since I cleaned the room. But I'm going to take my bath right now because I'm exhausted. But I love how today has been so productive. I made TikTok, I posted on Instagram, I'm vlogging on YouTube. Before I was only Instagram and YouTube, but now I'm now a TikTok content creator and it's fun actually. I'll talk to you guys when I'm done bathing. So guys, I'm finally done taking my bath. I look so dry. As you can see, I'm wearing a towel. I'm going to quickly go and tidy up my room and I'll go to bed finally, or probably like read my Bible first before I go to bed. And yeah. So guys, I just finished tidying up my room and I am currently about to take my drug. This is my drug. I take them once in a day, every night. I feel very tired. I only have one more dose left. This is my drug over here. I'll probably read the Bible like off camera and pray and all that. But before I read the Bible, I want to read that my Atomic Habits. I just want to like go somewhere at least. Even though it has taken almost up to a year to finish this book. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe and comment, and tell me more videos you want to see from me. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. And don't worry, this time I'm more than consistent. So bye.